Usually in Pinot Noir, what we do is we let it set, and then we come through. Because so Pinot Noir shatters so easily that we like to let it go through the bloom cycle and use up some of the energy on all this extra growth, and then we come through and shoot it. Right. So instead of having, so here's a spur. Here's the spur. The spur is back here. Instead of having the 2 count shoots, look, this has got, just on this, it's got, so it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points of growth. So by leaving these, we dilute the energy of the vine so that it can actually set the crop. So Pinot Noir is notorious for if it's growing too fast or growing strongly, which this is doing, right? So you can see here, right, when you have large tendrils and a growing tendrils that are above the growing tip, that means it's actively growing and growing strong. So it'll actually, Pinot Noir will grow so strongly and so fast that it will almost forget about the crop and grow past it, which means abort the crop and then just grow green growth and canes. So by diluting the energy of the vine out over all of these growing tips and the suckers that are down here on the ground that are coming off the trunk, we slow that down, set a crop, and then we actively work it at shoot thinning. So right now, this time of year now, it's May 1st, we're shoot thinning all of our Chardonnay, and then once that's done, we'll go through and shoot thin our Pinot Noir, and that should hopefully be through bloom. The Pinot Noir will be through bloom by that time, and then we'll work on the Pinot Noir. So we've set a crop, and then what we can do is see what's actually set, right? So here's a double. So if both bunches are set and they're nice, then we'll leave that as the second cane on this spur. Here's a single, so that probably would come off. Here's a single, that would come off. And here's a double as well. So it'd be a toss-up between those two.